When we brush our teeth in the morning, when we spit out, we see blood in the froth. When we are eating something suddenly just comes as a bad taste in our mouth. What needs to be done to prevent this condition from happening? We all have experienced at some point of our lives one very common oral health condition, which is called as bleeding gums. Have you heard about it? Yes, let's talk about this today. This is something which creates a panic in us. When we brush our teeth in the morning, when we spit out, we see blood in the froth. Or when we are eating something suddenly just comes as a bad taste in our mouth, which is called because of bleeding gums. But nothing to worry. The first thought which comes to our mind, in any mind, is, oh, okay, is it something very serious? No, they are not very serious. It can be managed if tackled well at the early stages. So let's understand how to do that and what needs to be done to prevent this condition from happening. When we start growing up as a child, the first permanent tooth which comes at the age of 6 years, from that age onwards we are prone for this condition called as bleeding gums. Bleeding gums happen because of many reasons. Some are under our control to manage them, to prevent them, but many are not under our control. So today in this particular video we are going to talk about the reasons which are under our control so that we can prevent it from happening. What can we do? Let's understand. See, when we get the teeth, we start brushing from day one. When we brush our teeth, what are we trying to do? We are trying to clean our teeth. We are trying to clean the food and all the bacteria from our mouth, right? But sometimes what happens is either we are in a hurry, or we do not know how to brush, or let's say we do not brush twice a day. There can be any reasons. Because of this reason, the plaque or the food retains in our mouth and transforms into a bacterial colony. Bacterial colony means bacteria sits in our gums literally and they live there. When that happens, our gums starts getting swollen up slowly, which you cannot see. You cannot really make out when you look in the mirror. You feel that everything is okay, and when you brush over that, you see blood. Yes, it can be prevented. It's a very simple condition to prevent. How? Brush well. Make sure that after every meal, even after your beverages, teas, coffees, milkshakes or cokes or soft drinks or anything, whatever you're taking, you please rinse your mouth. When you rinse your mouth, the food, everything is coming out, and there are lesser surfaces for bacteria to adhere and cause the inflammation or infection. My simple tip for you, before you switch to over-the-counter available mouthwashes or gels, I would recommend try home remedies, which is a simple use of gum massage. Take your finger, massage your gums, or if you see that bleeding gums occasionally is happening, take a little bit of turmeric powder, make it into a paste and massage it over your gums. Once in a week is good enough for maintaining your gum health. That is one thing. The other thing is, if you are seeing that your gums are bleeding every other day, it's like a regular thing, you need to visit your dentist. You have to get it checked, because this thing won't go just with your regular brushing or just with home remedies. If it progresses deeper, you can lose your teeth. So be careful. So please brush your teeth well and visit your dentist every 6 months. Prevent it yourself. Take care of your gums yourself.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more content on health and lifestyle.